Today we're reviewing the AIMEIKE soap dispenser. It is an infrared system when your hand goes over to the sensor. It has a red LED indicator on the front and inside and takes an optional 6 AA batteries and optional 9-volt battery as well. It has a 27-ounce reservoir that you can fill up with a removable dopper that's replaceable, and it has a low battery warning system in red. It cycles 1,000 plus times, about a year's worth of soap. Place it in the restaurant, by your sink, by the bathroom, by the kitchen, wherever you need to have a soap dispenser. What we're going to do is briefly go over the unit and show you what you get, how to hang, and what it's about. We have a soap dispenser from AIMEIKE. It could be hung up just about anywhere imaginable. Check online for further details about your product. This product comes with a number of parts. It comes with a pair of keys to lock and unlock the unit. It comes with a dopper. It has this little plastic tab that needs to be removed. It has a part located in the manual. You'll see a whole list of parts. You may run the unit for 1,000 times with an optional batteries not included. It is an infrared system. It has a 27-ounce capacity unit that comes out for refill and cleaning. By lifting or pressing the window, it lifts up, opens, and removes. Located on the side is where you put the batteries. Located on the bottom will be the infrared sensor that you hang on the wall per instructions. You make 2 markings and 2 markings. If you want a self-adhesive, optional self-adhesives can be put on and slapped to a wall. The large capacity flexible soap dispenser. Simply open up by unscrewing, adding in your favorite liquids, removing the cap when ready for use. In bathrooms, we could place our soap dispenser right about here on the side and lock into place. For our demonstration purposes, we're going to show you how to hang in an area. For places by the kitchen, like so. For tight quarter spots, a soap dispenser can be put just about here. We're hanging our soap dispenser in the laundry room and lock it down. We have our favorite soap placed in. We open up our window, we slide in, the weight holds into place, we lift up and lock down, and we pull the little nipple off. If we need to replace the little rubber piece, the dopper, we simply pull off the unit and put on. We have located on the side a battery area, and what we do is we locate and place the batteries on. We have the unit set up with liquid. We have 6 AA batteries. When connecting to the unit, we're going to see a red indicator light up. On the side of the unit, we'll see a red indicator when the door closes, and we take the key into the system and we turn counterclockwise to lock. As the door closes, we have an indicator. Please remove the key so it does not fall. We have an indicator full all the way down to empty, over 1,000 cycles for 1 year use. If the battery is low, we may get light blinking a number of times, and this is how the unit will work. Check the manual for the information provided by the blinking LED light. Located on the bottom of the unit is a blue button. When we press it, it triggers a LED light. As we place a fresh new set of batteries in and we relock the unit, we're going to see the light change from red to blue, and we're good to go. Please make sure you have a fresh set of 9-volt or 6 AA batteries. When swiping hands over the unit, you get a wash, and you get it over 1,000 times. And this is how the unit will work. And then you're able to wash your hands. We'll show you that one more time of the soap being dispensed and how much. Once again, the soap dispensing. This will be the soap dispensing once again. Over here is the soap infrared sensor. When it detects the hand, soap is dispensed. When opening up the machine, the soap will not trigger. It goes in the off state. When changing out, we lift up and away and remove and able to add in additional soap. The dopper, if squeezed, you can see the amount of soap that comes out. On the top, it has a spill hole. It will come out. Please remember, incorrectly upside down, it would drip out of the whole unit. It is flexible, so please do not squeeze and looking at the unit. To change out the dopper is simply grabbing and giving a strong pull, and then putting the new one on by pushing on and locking into place and refilling with soap. Ceramic walls, tiles, and more. By hanging up and pressing on the area, you have your soap dispenser. I hope you enjoy your product, hanging it up anywhere imaginable. This is your soap dispenser for all your needs. Thank you for viewing.